Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, and now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to scroll until you find the WhatsApp app and click on it like this. Now after you click on the WhatsApp app, all what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop option and then click on the storage, click on clear cache. After that, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop again to stop running the CPU. As you can see, go back. Now you have to do one last thing, which is you have to restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. So if the problem is not solved, then make sure to clean your camera or you have to check your network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.